Ladies and gentlemen, it's great to have you here as our guests. Today, we would like to give you an insight into a mobile future, some aspects of which could soon be part of the here and now. We have already seen what experts from all around the world have to say about the transformation of our cities. And we are working hard on that at Mercedes-Benz Vans. At the end of the day, the city is the natural environment for our customers' vehicles. Especially interesting is the so-called city morphology. This is a field of science that analyzes urban areas in biology terms. As a living and growing organism, where the layout is a kind of genetic code and the cells are permanently changing and regenerating themselves. Sadly, in our everyday lives, these changes are most obvious as roadworks on the way to work. In this kind of organic view, our infrastructure, you could say our vans, are molecules that keep a city's metabolism alive. Enzymes with cooling units, antibodies with blue lights or electrically powered messengers, with plenty of space for important goods. This way of thinking fits perfectly with our Advanced Future initiative, which we launched in 2016. The idea behind Advance was to think about mobility and transport as an organic network, in which all aspects are linked and work fully together. At Mercedes-Benz Vans, we are therefore evolving from a manufacturer to a provider of holistic mobility and transport solutions. This starts with strategic consulting and includes everything from hardware and software solutions to the provision of services. Our advanced strategy currently consists of 5 areas to address the central fields of innovation in the mobility and transportation industry. However, these areas do not function in isolation, but as an open competence network incorporating our customers and partners. By combining the necessary elements, we are able to offer a tailor-made solution for each industry. We have already shown this, our new Sprinter, which is not only fully connected, but as of 2019, fully electric. Today, we are expanding Advance with the further aspects. Autonomous Advance. That means in future, we will also be sending vans onto the roads without drivers, fully autonomous, as well as efficient, safe, and sustainable. The cities of the future will be several times bigger. But above all, they will be more densely populated than they are today. For our customers, this growth means they will have to deal with a far higher level of transportation, needs of people, and, of course, goods. At the same time, we want to achieve greater quality of urban life, which includes less traffic, less noise, and zero emissions. The United Nations estimates that 5.2 billion people will living in cities by 2030. That means 60% of the global population would be city residents. And there would be more than 700 cities worldwide with more than 1 million inhabitants. It means the city of London would become a megacity of around 10 million inhabitants. That's around twice the number of people currently living in Denmark. In view of this development, it's obvious that we have to rethink urban transport and mobility. It's already apparent that the infrastructure in many places is overloaded. Clearly, as a manufacturer, we can't fight this on our own. But we want to, and we will play a major role. In fact, we have already done quite a bit in this regard. Think about our services from sharing advance or our comprehensive e-drive strategy. Both to relieve cities and at the same time offer our customers true commercial added value. Autonomous advance is the next logical step. Autonomous vans will facilitate transport and mobility solutions that were not imaginable a few years ago. I am convinced it will totally change the routes in our industry, in people moving, and in goods transportation. The transport efficiency gains enormous, and this also leads to a significant reduction in operating costs. This helps city infrastructure as well as our customers. Let me outline briefly how. We benefit in terms of this technology either from our own innovations or from technology transfer within the Daimler Group. With autonomous advance, we can directly address the specific use cases of our vans.